I got the Rooster Teeth Lootcrate, so I'm going to do a quick unboxing of that on my new camera. So you can hear the items inside. There's what the box looks like. Looks like a standard Lootcrate box. I'm actually surprised. I haven't gotten a special Lootcrate before for like Rooster Teeth or anything, so I was kind of expecting it to have a design or something on it. Alright, so here's the things that come inside of it. I got this by donating to the Rooster Teeth Lazer Team movie, which apparently, here's a little beer coaster. That's pretty cool. It's got the Lazer Team name on it. Mark Nut. Looks like there's 2 slap bands in here. I'm going to open it up and see what the other one is. So it's Mark Nut and Free Edgar. That's a Let's Play reference. Then there's the Rooster Teeth 10th Anniversary card set. The playing cards. The Red vs. Blue Season 10 soundtrack. I don't have this, so that's pretty cool. It's got 30 songs on it, so I'm going to add this to my MP3 player. And it's got the fails of the week. Unfortunately, I already have both this and the Rooster Teeth shorts that were part of the bundle here. And here's some stickers. Looks like we've got the Rooster Teeth Cockbite logo, the Achievement Hunter logo, and the Ruby Rose logo. That's pretty cool. So, you get a few cool items. Probably end up giving these away to a friend since I already have both of them. Definitely going to keep that. Keeping that. Definitely keeping this. This is really cool. And the slap bands I'll be keeping. So that's all the stuff that comes in the Rooster Teeth exclusive Loot Crate.